sort of spider on the ground here. Can't tell what he is at this point. He's pretty big though. Alright, it's the 17th of October, 2021. We hit the road pretty early this morning. Didn't even really bother to take time to shoot anything at the campground before we left, just because there's a lot of people running around and stuff like that. So we just wanted to get out of there, hit the road. We're on our way to Texas, another new state coming up in Texas. But what have we learned in Louisiana? We learned that people are pretty nice for the most part, but a little more reserved than other parts of the South. But if you can get them to talk to you, they're typically pretty nice. We learned that, yeah, there's definitely alligators here, wild alligators. We saw probably, if I had to guess, a 10-footer or so. And so that was really cool. That was definitely a good moment for me there. Been looking forward to that for a long time. The first night was really hot and kind of gross. A lot of bugs. Second night, we were more prepared for the bugs, and it was just a lot cooler. The wind came in and cooled it down and ended up making our second day a really nice day, actually. So overall, we really enjoyed our time at the Louisiana State Parks. Again, that was Lake Fouse Point State Park. Cost us around $100 to stay there for the weekend. It's not cheap to camp there, but it's still cheaper than going and getting a hotel in Lafayette or something like that. So great time overall. We're on the road, and yeah, we'll be in Texas in about 5-6 hours. Texas state line, Orange County. Crossing from Louisiana over into Texas on Interstate 10. I don't remember the name of this river. We are driving on the beach in Freeport, Texas. It's actually Inga driving. This is where we're going to be camping for the evening. Oh, a little bit of a bump there. We've arrived at the Gulf Coast in Texas. I think this is called Surfside Beach, and this is where we're camping for the night. It's pretty fun driving on the sand, though. I will say it's all right. You can see the ocean behind me here. That's where we're parked. Not sure if this is exactly where we're gonna stay for the night, but it might be. It might be. There's some other spots down there closer to some RVs and stuff. So we may end up down there, and there's also like some restrooms over there. But right now we're just kind of scoping out the beach. I've been driving back and forth on the beach for about 45 minutes now, just having some fun, just enjoying the view, and yeah, loving the Gulf Coast again, this time the Texas version.
I haven't changed it in like 3 different states. It just use the same frequencies apparently. And
here we are, laying in the back of the truck, enjoying the view of the Gulf Coast, Freeport, Texas, Surfside Beach. Great place to boondock, great place to camp. There is a good amount of RVs here. Not actually that much, but it's a Sunday, so I'm sure it gets busier on the weekends. Still some people here though. But this is gonna be nice to wake up to in the morning, am I wrong? Some grackles and some gulls.
Oh, that one caught. Good job. Now what are you going to do with the mouthful of food?
All right, sunset's happening behind me. It's about 6:45 p.m. here in Freeport, Texas, and just enjoying the sunset on the beach and just hanging out in the truck where it's nice and warm. The wind's definitely died down. It's not as windy like it was, so it's not as cold, which is nice. Although we wouldn't mind a super, well, I wouldn't say a super cold evening. We wouldn't mind a cold evening. We had kind of a cold evening last night. Cold, like it got down to like 59 degrees cold. But it's colder than we've been having. It's colder than 75 at night. Sunset's really nice though. Still a few people out here camping. A lot of them were just kind of here for the day, or they were here through Sunday and they left today, right? But the beach is almost completely cleared out on this side over here. We do have a neighbor over there, but he's not even within an earshot really. Pretty cool. Pretty amazing place to camp for the night.